Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to unbox Kedziorek.
Welcome lovelies, welcome Kedziorek. One of my favorite lines because
Beautiful.
it's right up my alley. I
Right.
have a few pieces.
This is that European style, ladies, that niche style.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful.
yeah.
You do have a few pieces. We carried it in James Street and then we couldn't find the, remember they
The
didn't-
wrap.
The rep.
They changed wraps and we couldn't find where the wrap was. Anyway, got it back. But you bought this yourself. She sent me many pictures from trying things on
Yeah.
when you were buying.
Yeah.
And so I kind of know and I hope that you got some of the pieces that I
You're
liked.
thinking, yeah. Well, it's so
Okay.
nice to have you back, Mom.
Oh, thank you.
You look tired though.
Do I?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's tiring.
I bet.
Yeah.
It's hard for you to slow down too, I've noticed.
Yeah, it's
Right? It's hard.
Yesterday I did a lot, and then the next day is always it hurts.
It
You know.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. You can't do too
I
much.
went gallivanting with your daughter yesterday. Well, you know, I had to do a few things.
Yeah.
I mean, things have to be done.
But you
so-
gotta take it easy. Ladies, there's a bird feeder right here. I just keep watching it. If you see my eyes going out here, it's like a whole little bird haven in front of us.
Oh my goodness, I'm so spoiled. I just can sit here for hours and look at the birds. We have beautiful tiny little birds. First one that showed, I thought it was a canary that escaped. But then there were 4 or 5 of them. And then Glenn looked it up in our bird book and it's a warbler.
Oh,
Yeah, so
Shirley,
very
have you
nice.
seen warblers?
Sure, I'm sure I need to talk to Shirley about
Yeah.
it.
I
Okay.
need Shirley over in my backyard. Shirley, next time you're in St. Catharines, come by and see
I
all my
know,
birds.
I know.
I have like 10 blue jays all the time.
Really, eh?
Well, not 10, but a lot.
Yeah.
Like, it's insane how many blue jays.
Wow.
And cardinals.
It's mating season.
Oh,
And these doves, the male doves are brutal.
yeah.
They won't leave the females alone. Anyway,
We have a dove's nest above our barbecue
Do you?
station, and Ryan is always like scared because the dove is glaring at him when he's trying to barbecue, and he's like right up in the little rafters
peck
there.
him on the
It's
head.
so funny. Yeah. Okay, so let's talk about you. So
Yes.
Lousje, of course, ladies, as you know, she's got her sling on here, so she can't really put her.
it needs to be all buttoned.
So we got this beautiful piece from Known for her.
Yeah.
Looks gorgeous.
I love
And then I have on the jumpsuit.
Oh,
Isn't it
Tessa,
beautiful?
that outfit on you,
know,
it's so you.
And then I wanted to throw this duster over. This
Yeah.
fabric. Isn't it wonderful? Yeah, it feels
It's
great.
gorgeous.
This is from Luca.
Yeah.
Luca. Yeah. I always want to sing that Tracy Chaplin song
I know.
when I say Luca.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready, ladies? Okay. European fabrics, here we come.
Ooh,
So tie-dye is in, ladies.
Yeah, tie-dye is in
Even
like
though
crazy.
we don't follow trends.
Ooh, oh,
Great
I love it.
bamboo top, V-neck.
Tessa,
I know.
freestyle,
Yeah. Well, no, there's a couple sizes.
Oh,
I think it's
really?
2 or 3 sizes. Yeah.
small, medium.
Extra small, small, medium, large.
Oh, I
Beautiful.
love.
It's got a step
Yeah,
bottom hem here.
really nice pockets.
Yeah. And then this like raw edge, which we love, right? The raw
and
edge
then
finish.
also, I love the color of this tie-dye.
tie-dye.
It's indigo blue. It's almost black blue,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. It's beautiful. I won't.
I know.
All right. Okay, so they had this color, but they also had this color, and I couldn't say no to
Of
it.
course not.
Look at it. It's navy and chocolate.
Oh,
Isn't that stunner?
Wow. You know,
I
look
can't
at,
wait to put
it's
this
got
top
a little
on for you.
V-neck.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
And look, it's all raw edge, right?
Tessa.
I know. It's super cool. Nice drop sleeve, ladies, like a dolman sleeve,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. What a great summer top.
So I'm going to style this all up tomorrow,
Okay.
but you're going to miss out.
I'm very
Because how are
sorry.
you going to put anything
No,
on?
I can't, but it really pains my heart. It really does.
I
One
don't
of my
know which one
favorite
to
lines.
pull out next. You're going to lose your marbles.
Oh, I remember you showed me this picture, Tessa.
Look at how
Oh my
cute.
God.
And look at a floating pocket,
Oh my goodness.
linen,
Oh
and
my
then the
God.
cotton.
Oh, and this is
Rib.
a really quite a thick rib, so that it really hugs your body beautifully and not
Yes.
show anything.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah. When I tried it on for the pictures, ladies, I went up to a size 40 in this, just so you know.
Yeah.
We started at a size 38 because they fit small. I mean, you want it to be fitted, and then the cotton will relax a little.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not going to bag out, but it does relax a little
So
as
it's
you wear
the
it.
knit and the linen, right? And the dusty,
Yeah,
dusty
and look at
rose.
the buttons. Beautiful pearl
You
buttons,
know the
covered
detail
buttons.
again on this. Show me the back.
Just plain.
Oh yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous colors.
Gorgeous,
My
eh?
colors.
Yeah. And I could not do it without getting the navy because it's such a beautiful navy. Look at this, so rich.
Beautiful.
So same jacket in the navy color.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Tell you the truth, I wouldn't know what to pick.
Well, I know. I feel like you would look so.
That
well,
would-
you'd look beautiful in either, but
Yeah, for sure. That would
so
be,
you,
yeah,
it's like
yeah.
that. It's almost like a dusty rose. And
Yeah,
then, you
yeah.
know, it's gorgeous. And then we got this guy just in black.
Oh my, what is this?
Well, it's the jacket, but longer into like a tunic sort of dress.
Get out.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
yeah,
That is adorable.
adorable. And again, ladies, I went up to a size 40 in this, so just so you know.
You could wear this all year round, this one.
I know.
You
Isn't
know?
it beautiful? And that's a black.
Also in the rose,
No, just in black.
very smart buying.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
It's almost like a jacket, like,
Yeah,
you know,
very
tunic
smart.
jacket.
Yeah.
And then you are going to love this. So this is, do you remember the dress that you have from years ago from them? The linen dress that you wear all the time?
I do.
Oh, look at,
Oh my God.
it's like almost the
it?
same. Yeah.
Yes.
It's like, ladies, it's like
Almost the
two
same.
dresses in one almost. There's
Yeah.
like a aprony bib thing here.
Yeah.
And then look at the back. It's got this tunnel detail, which is, for us, it's not meant to be ruched or tied.
You can tie it. to
You
the
can
side.
tie the sides to bring it in, but
Yeah.
honestly,
Oh, I can't wait to see this on.
we would just style it without, right, Mom?
Yeah, we would.
And let it
And just
hang.
let it fly.
Yeah. Or you can cinch up
It's
the
got
waist.
pockets.
I'll just show you, ladies.
Beautiful V. Almost everything has a V-neck, which I love.
I love too.
I love, love.
Yeah. No, it's beautiful.
And for almost all our lovelies, a V-neck is very flattering.
Very flattering,
Very.
especially for chestier women.
Yeah.
Very flattering.
Yeah.
Okay, ladies, last but not least, I'm so sad you're not going to be styling with me tomorrow. Because it
Jeez.
means I'm going to have to put pants
Oh,
on.
I am
But
so
look
sad.
at-
Oh my God, Tessa.
So these are so cool. It's an elastic inside, full pant.
Yeah.
And then the bib, I call it a bib, ladies, sorry, but is attached.
Yeah,
And then you just tie it on the side as tight as you need it.
yeah.
And then it's a beautiful. We're going to show a picture here of the model
Let
wearing.
me see, how does it go on the side? Oh, it's got slits.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, it is so
And there's a pocket
fun.
here.
Imagine that with that little jacket.
The little blue jacket showed
It's
a
a whole
picture.
suit?
Yeah. You
Oh.
can wear, and
Or you
then,
could wear it
and
too.
then you can wear these guys with it too, right?
Oh, Tessa.
The
what a
tie-dyes.
Funky look.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, beautiful. Cool. So I can't wait to style those up for you ladies. Kedziorek is a small line for us. It's not as extensive as like Riza's would be or Cut Loose. It is a smaller line in general, but we just really cherry pick. Some pieces are so beautiful, but they're a little too avant-garde and they're
yeah.
a little too not, you know, everyday wear. So we try to really pick the pieces that we know you'll feel good in every day no matter what you're doing, really.
Yeah.
You don't
So-
want something too,
It's a young designer from Poland,
yeah.
young woman, and small. It's a small company. So we are just thrilled to be part of it.
Yeah, it's beautiful stuff.
And again, the fabrics, the details, it's, you know.
So all natural, ladies,
Yeah,
all 100%
everything.
cotton, 100% linen, all these pieces. And then the tie-dye is bamboo.
And I have a few pieces from past collections. Like, you know, they're in my closet. I wear them
years,
all the
years,
time. Every
like
season
a
they come
decade.
out. Yeah. Remember the silver pens that we had for Christmas?
Yes,
That's
Lousje
the
rocks
story.
those. Those are,
Yeah.
yeah, you love those.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, it's a beautiful line.
Yeah.
All right, so watch out tomorrow. I will style these up, but they're all online now. You can take a peek, and we have size charts. The pants, I'm trying to think what size I was in. I think a 38 I had on. These
You went
are
up a size?
36, yeah. So you would be 36, I was 38. And the jackets were a bit snugger, so I went up to a 40. Enjoy, ladies, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And as always,
Keep on smiling.